welcome to this quick demo of UserPeek, the remote user testing software for growth, where you can see and hear real people using your website, app or prototype. If you want to create a test, there are two ways to do so. One way would be to go through projects. If you have already created a project, you choose one of the projects. In this case, our Tesla project is the quick demo project, and you will click on the create test button here to get to the test instructions. The other way would be start directly on the dashboard to create a test easily. You will also jump to the test instructions, but are not linked to a project yet. So let's start to create a test within the scenario of being Tesla, the Tesla company, and want to test your online shop. This would be the test name. You can choose whatever you want. This would be test number 6. And this is for internal use only. Testers won't see this. The project name, we will include this into the already existing project. And the next thing will be defining the test URL at which the tester should start the test. It will open automatically. If you want to link directly to the web shop, just include your complete URL. You can also type in landing pages, prototype URLs, and search engines if you are defining the test concept, if people should look up as a general idea. In this case, we choose the Tesla.com, and right now it is only possible to select the English languages. Our tester panel is mainly English speaking, but more languages will follow soon. The core of the test instruction is to actually define the scenario and the task. If you're familiar with it, you probably can easily add your own scenarios and tasks by just adding your text and define scenarios. If you are not familiar with creating good test instructions, please look here in this link in our help center. We also have templates which are specifically to the main use cases, for example, e-commerce, booking, SaaS, prototypes. Also for a subscription-based customer, or more advanced and specific use cases and templates can be used. In this case, we choose e-commerce because Tesla online shop is an e-commerce one, and there you see the tasks are taken. Next step would actually to select the target group. From UserPeek panel, basic demographics are gender, region, age. To have a general feedback, just choose all. If you have specific questions for female customers, click on female. We currently are looking for a general overview, and we are also trying to look for North American, US and Canadian target groups, and also you have the option to choose age specific groups. Currently, as said, there are only device desktop available, and mobile and tablet will come soon. And right now we have the option to save and close or to directly order videos. A test is now created. Now you've created the test. It will appear here on the test tab under research, and the Tesla test number 6 is in draft mode. To get started, just click on other videos. We recommend a number of tests of at least 5 based on the normal needs and study to get valuable insights. You are also able to get more if you like. The device is selected as your test creation was set up, and this is for a basic customer. You can also choose to upgrade to Grow, where the credits per test are a little less with more features, and just click on the pay button to be held to FastSpring. If you have a coupon code, easily edit and apply it here. You have the option of those payment providers. This is the credit card, and then just pay to get started. After you pay, the test will run, and our testers will be informed to start testing, and within a couple of hours, normally between 2 and 24, you will receive your videos afterwards. This is finished. You probably received an email. It says your test is finished. You can also check within the software on the status of your test. If it's running, there are still some videos on the delivery, but if you're good and finished, you're good to go into the test. Let's take a look into the Tesla desktop test, and we jump right into to results. Here on the video tab, where actually the results are listed, and down here we have 6 videos, and you also have in this results overview the basic videos delivered from the testers. Out from there you can create clips yourself, and out of clips you can summarize those into highlight reels, but let's go to the videos at first. Video player, you can actually have a look in the videos delivered by the tester, and this is the overall screen. We have here the video player elements: sharing, downloading, discarding, and resizing. We have here on this information basic infos about the test and the tester itself. We have here the option to rate. Please rate the tester so we can improve and optimize our quality of testers. And we also have the option to look into transcripts based on tasks. So this will be the first task where the spoken language of the tester is transcribed. You are able to actually copy the text, create a clip or quote. You can jump into the second task, and you will also be able to scroll down to all tasks that's set in the task test you created, and you have the opportunity to create notes and clips. Of UserPeek is creating an easily notes. You will jump, for example, into the transcript. We find, let's say, the transcript: I've never been on the Tesla website and didn't realize it's such an insane, intense commercial. You can just get here and quote it. Notes created would appear then in the notes and clips tab based on the timestamp you see. You also have the opportunity to do that in down here, making a note with a hashtag, for example, zeigt brand, to add this one as a hashtag. So Hashtags will appear also in the reporting and will be better to find if you have lots of videos and tests afterwards, or clips to have topics of a brand, of design, of negative, positive feedback, etc., where actually makes it much more easier to find information based on that. To create or make clips, there you have also two ways. Let's say I have never been on a Tesla website, didn't realize there's such an insane, intense commercial right here. So that's very interesting. You can create a clip here. This clip will appear on the notes and clips, and we would go back into the clips tab, where this clip will appear out of the tester, out of the test name, and you will be able to see that clip himself. Jump into the highlight reel. A highlight reel is a compilation, a summary of clips put together, and in order to create one, in this case your first, just take your highlight reel, name, and now you're able to actually put those clips into an order, which one you prefer. Therefore, just put anything on the left to the right. If you are not thinking this is okay, just discard. But if you're sure this is the one you want to have created, save the highlight reel, and therefore this action will take a couple of minutes. This is a compilation, and will notify you if the highlight reel is ready, and afterwards you can use it, putting it in your presentation, presenting it in a stakeholder meeting, or just use it to discuss in your design or UX or marketing unit, whatever you like. To each test where you ordered videos and got them delivered, you will receive reporting based on the test, where you get information based on specific details. So just click on the Tesla desktop link here. The download will start immediately, and you receive a report where you can have actually all information regarding the test. You can order videos via credits. One way to do so is the way we've already been through, by creating a test, ordering directly after test creation, or clicking on this button. The second way would be ordering credits before test creation. Either click on the link above, which is also the same on credits and plans on your profile. Here you have an overview of your existing credits, and on your plan you choose. Right now you see on the Flex plan there's no subscription, and you would buy credits to pay for it or order videos. You see, like in the subscription based, we have a little more features than in the basic plan. Just choose the one that is best suitable for you. We recommend also thinking about the annual billing, and therefore getting more out of your credits.